just my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. You were supposed to be the one to take.
Oh no! Oh, he's behind the tree.
Yeah, I'm super low. Are you safe?
Yeah. Unless he pushes around. No, he's coming to thirst. He's right here. Oh my gosh.
I don't have meds. I had no choice but to fight. What's going on? Tell me! You're not dead. Just stay here. Stay with me, okay?
I'm dead now! You're trying to me! Get it! Oh! What? Oh my god! Dude, give me! Get me! Watch out, watch out! He coming!
I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm
He
ready.
coming!
I'm ready, I'm ready! I'm ready! He's dead, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead! Relax! Distract him, I'll be there.
Where?
Mark the location.
Oh no, 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 no!
I'm coming, I'm
There's
coming.
two of them. One of them's farther back up on the rock.
I knocked one.
Alright.
I'm gonna get you guys, I'm gonna get you. Don't worry, I'm gonna get you.
I'm coming.
Who's gonna die first? Okay, I'm gonna get you first. Am I getting you? I'm not sure which one.
You're getting him.
Okay.
Is that the tree?
There's another car coming.
No, that's the rest of them.
Oh. Okay.
Don, shoot! You can shoot him, Don, if you can.
What's up,
This-
bro?
That one's dead.
Ah, GG. Nice. Did you get this guy too? Nice, dude. Can somebody get Ravi? Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a shotgun here,
I
finally.
got supplies.
I don't have any health packs.
Oh my goodness, no.
I have no health. Oh god.
Knocked him. They're all dead, They're all dead. Oh my goodness. Don, I'm sorry, Don. Oh my goodness.
It's okay.
Nice one, nice knock.
Nice! Two knock! One more round! Me. One more! Oh yeah! Let's go, boy! So they're there?
Watch out.
Yeah, they're there.
How many are there?
So, just one so far.
Here? Oh yeah. Oh my god. So fucking no. The last one, by the way. They're coming. They're coming my way. He's there by the buggy. Bro, he's so. Hey, get over! He's tornado! Oi! Let's do something! Oh my god! Open this door! Open these doors! Lawrence! Thank you! Oh, one more! Pick me up! Oh my god!
What? He was running in open.
Oh my god!
No.
Watch out.
Knock 2. Knock 3. All dead. The power of the shotgun is. Oh no.
Watch out.
How many?
It's down below there, right side.
Oh shit! This guy's good!
Move back, there's 2 of them. I knocked 3!
That's how
how you do it, Yash. You see?
Yeah.
Easy.
The other guy's
just
about to
because
push.
I didn't find myself a shot.
That guy is coming.
I'm gonna pick up.
Alright, I'll try
No,
and
let me pick up.
I'll try and finish
Just
them.
hold it.
No promises. They're all there. Let's go. He's running away.
They go to selling. I like you too. They go to selling.
Maybe time told us that we were different. Didn't break you down. Staring at the ceiling, fighting off a feeling.
You learned that skill. Teleport. No way. No way. I'm dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. There's no way that we're gonna survive this. Spare my life! Spare my life, dude, please. Alright, focus. Come on. Where's your teammate? Come on. I'm about to kill your teammates. Alright, good luck with me. Let's go, Dulu means 3. Dulu means 3. Yeah, Dulu. You know what? Let's bring it. I don't care if I lose.
Wait.
I like you too.
Did I knock them both? Oh my goodness! Did you... That was fast. That was so quick, dude.
Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. You were supposed to be the one to take